morning, PSC second years in CBCS. Today very important excellent question. So some permutation is given. You can find out the power. Example rho equal to permutation. First or second. Find the rho power of 100, rho power of 50, rho power of 60 means rho into rho into rho. How many times in multiplication? 60 times. So that is lengthy process. Very easy process today discuss. So this is sigma given mu given. You can find out sigma square into mu. First question. Second one mu power of 2009. Next sigma power of 2009 value you can find out. So what is first question? Sigma square into mu. So mu is given permutation 1 2 3 4 5 6. Second row 5 2 4 3 1 6. Sigma 1 2 3 4 5 6. Second row 3 1 4 5 6 2. This is two permutations given. You can find out the mu square sigma square into mu. Mu is okay, but sigma square first you can find out. After that you cut off two permutations. So sigma square is equal to sigma into sigma 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. So image what is 3 1 4 5 6 2 3 1 4 5 6 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first two sigma square means sigma into sigma. So 1 image 3, 3 image 4, 2 image 1, 1 image 3, 3 image 4, 4 image 5, 4 image 5, 5 image 6, 5 image 6, 6 image 2, 6 image 2, 2 image 1. So this is a sigma square complete. Next what is question? Sigma square into mu. Therefore sigma square into mu. You can write down sigma square combination 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 3 5 6 to 1 into mu 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 5 2 4 3 1 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 image 5, 5 image 2, 2 image 2, 2 image 3, 3 image 4, 4 image 6, 4 image 3, 3 image 5, 5 image 1, 1 image 4, 6 image 6, 6 image 1. So this is the first question answer. Sigma square into mu. So first you can find sigma square, after sigma square into mu, product of two permutation. This is the first question answer. So in this entrance level, PG or BED, so compulsory 5-6 question is given entrance point of view permutation topic. Okay, first question is over. Next second question, what is mu power of 2009? Second question, mu power of 2009, sigma power of 2009. So mu power of 2009 means mu into mu into mu into mu. How many times? 2009 times product. But this is very another method. What is method means? First you can select mu permutation and you can find out the order of process. F power of m equal to I. This starting I will explain this term. F power of m means you can select any permutation product. You can product of permutation number of product, that is m equal to which is equal to permutation identity permutation to stop the permutation, that is formula. So first this is mu permutation. I am find out the mu into mu. What is mu? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 5 2 4 3 1 6. 5 2 4 3 1 6. So what happened is mu square 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 image 5, 5 image 1. 2 image 2, 2 image 2. 3 image 4, 4 image 3. Next to 4 image 3, 3 image 4. 5 image 1, 1 image 5. 6 image 6, 6 image 6. Stop the process. When mu square equal to what is equal to additive permutation. So what is power? This power is 2. So you can 2009 is divided by 2. You can apply the term 2009 divided by 2 means 2 into 1004. What is 2008? What is remainder? 1. So this is you can write down mu power of 2009 is equal mu square into 1004. Mu square power of 1004. 2 into 1004 what is 2008. Remaining term what is mu power of remainder. So final mu power of 2009 you can write down mu square power 1004 into mu. Mu power of 2008. So this is 2008 power. This is 1. 2008 mu into mu. Basis equal or say 2008 plus 1 2009. So this is power is equal. So what happens means what is mu square answer? Identity permutation. So identity permutation whole power of 4 into mu. Any permutation is selected and power is given, that is equal to identity permutation. So identity permutation into mu. Identity permutation into what is answer? Mu. So final answer to mu power of 2009 answer what is means mu. What is mu? This one. Final answer 2009 mu power of 2009 equal to mu. Mu nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 2, 4, 3, 1, 6. So this is the final answer. Which is the answer? Mu power of 2009. First you can select a permutation. That is you can do product. Stop the equal identity permutation. So mu into mu square that is equal to identity permutation. Stop this process. What is power? 2. So 2 is divided by 9. What is remainder? 1. Quotient 1004. That is you can write down mu power of 2009 equal to mu square power of 1004 into mu. So this is a mu square nothing but identity permutation. Identity permutation you can power any given that is equal to identity permutation. Final into mu. Identity permutation mu equal to mu. So this is the final answer is mu power of 2009. So next one sigma. This is sigma. You can find out the sigma power of 2009. Same process. So sigma. First you can find out the sigma power of m equal to I process. So sigma square. Sigma into sigma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. Product of permutation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 image 3, 3 image 4, 2 image 1, 1 image 3, 3 image 4, 4 image 5, 4 image 5, 5 image 6, 5 image 6, 6 image 2, 6 image 2, 2 image 1. So this is a sigma square. This is not equal to identity permutation. Next sigma cube. Sigma square into sigma. Sigma cube is equal to sigma square into sigma. Sigma square what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 3, 5, 6, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. So sigma cube 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 image 1, 1 image 4, 3 image 4, 4 image 6, 4 image 5, 5 image 2, 5 image 6, 6 image 1, 6 image 2, 2 image 3. This is not equal to added combination. Next we can find the sigma power of 4, sigma power of 5, sigma power of 6. So next sigma power of 4 is equal to sigma power of 3 into sigma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 6, 2, 1, 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 2, 1, 3. So this is 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. So this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 3, 4, 4, 2, 4, 5, 5, 1, 5, 6, 6, 3, 6, 2, 2, 4. So this is sigma power of 4. This is not equal to added combination. Next sigma power of 5. Nothing but sigma power of 4 into sigma. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 2, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. So sigma power of 5 answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 image 3, 3 image 2, 2 image 1, 1 image 6. 3 image 4, 4 image 1, 4 image 5, 5 image 3, 5 image 6, 6 image 4, 6 image 2, 2 image 5. So this is not equal to added combination. Next you can find sigma power of 6. Sigma power of 6 is equal to sigma power of 5 into sigma. Sigma power of 5 value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 image 3, 3 image 1. 2 image 1, 1 image 2, 3 image 4, 4 image 3, 4 image 5, 5 image 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 2, 2, 6. So this is equal to added combination. So sigma power of 6 must be equal to added combination. Let us start the process. What is power? 6. So 6 is divided by 2009. 2009 divided by 6. 6 3 18. 6 3 18. So final 29. 6 4 24. Remainder what is 5. So sigma power of 6 is equal to added combination. So that is 6 is you can select it. So 6 is divided by 2009. So what is remainder? 5. So sigma power of 2009 you can write down. Sigma power of 6 what is added combination. So sigma power of 6 whole power of 334 into sigma power of 5. So this is sigma power of 2009 equal to sigma power of 6 whole power of 334 into sigma power of 5. Total equal to 2009. Sigma power of 2009. What is sigma power of 6? Added combination. 334 into sigma power of 5. So iron combination power of 334 means iron combination into sigma power of 5. Any iron combination into combination, that is answer. Sigma power of 5. So sigma power of 5 answer what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5. So this is a sigma power of 2009 answer. What is permutation means must be equal to sigma power of 5 permutation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5. This is the final answer of sigma power of 2009. So any problem is given this type of method, sigma power of I, sigma power of, you can select any permutation in front of the sigma power of 2021. What is the value? So this is two question you can select it, sigma permutation and permutation in front of the sigma power of 2021 and new power of 2021. That is you can practice. So this is method of SI type question, very important. Okay, bye.